This is the EZVIZ TY1 Pro 2K CCTV camera. Let's see how to set up this camera using an Ethernet cable. First, plug the adapter into the CCTV camera, then the CCTV camera will turn on. Now insert an SD card into the CCTV camera. After inserting the SD card, take an Ethernet cable. Now connect the Ethernet cable from the router to the CCTV camera. Now go to your phone. Open the Play Store and install the EZVIZ app on your phone. After installing, open the app. Select your region. If you don't have an EZVIZ account, create one. I already have an account, so I'm logging in with that. Tap to add device. Tap cameras. Now scan the QR code from the label on the back of the CCTV camera. After scanning the CCTV camera's QR code, the camera is connected to the phone. Tap Next. Now create a password for the security of your CCTV camera. CCTV camera is now connected to the phone. Now you can control CCTV cameras from your phone. This is how you can set up the EZVIZ TY1 Pro 2K CCTV camera with an Ethernet cable.